Okay, viewers, here we will discuss a few important sums on factor theorem and remainder theorem. Now let us quickly recall the factor theorem and remainder theorem. If x minus a is a factor of the polynomial px, then pa equal to 0. And if x minus a is a factor of, say, polynomial fx, then fx equal to x minus a into gx, where gx is another polynomial. That means if x minus a is a factor of polynomial fx, then polynomial fx can be written as a product of another two polynomial x minus a and gx, where gx is also another polynomial. If fx is divided by x minus a, then remainder is fa. If the polynomial fx is divided by x minus a, then remainder will be fa, right? Now we will apply these theorems in this for solution of this sums. Now first sum is find the remainder if x cube plus 3x square plus minus 12x plus 4 is divided by x minus 2. Solution. Now the given polynomial is fx equal to x cube plus 3x square minus 12x plus 4. Now if this polynomial is divided by x minus a, if fx is divided by x minus 2, then what would be the remainder? Remainder equal to f2. You remember the remainder theorem. If fx is divided by x minus a, remainder is fa. Now if fx is divided by x minus 2, remainder is f2. Now f2 equal to, you put x equal to 2 here, 2 cube plus 3 into 2 square, 12 multiplied by 2 plus 4, 8 plus 12 minus 24 plus 4, 20 minus 24 plus 4, 24 minus 24 equal to 0. That means x minus 2 is a factor of this polynomial. Remainder is 0, right? So answer remainder equal to 0. This is the answer. Now let's solve another question. If twice x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial, find a solution. Here fx equal to, it's a polynomial in x, with twice x square plus a, twice x square plus a, ax, twice x square plus ax minus 3. Here it says twice x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. Twice x plus 1 is a factor of fx. Now you remember the factor theorem. Suppose fx equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. Now if you factorize this, you get x minus 2 into x minus 3. Now x minus 2 is a factor of this polynomial. Therefore x equal to 2 will be a solution of this equation, right? If you put x equal to 2, you will get this 0. Remainder equal to f2 equal to c. f2 equal to 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 6. 4 minus 10 plus 6 equal to 0. Similarly, x minus 3 is a factor of this polynomial. So x minus 3 equal to 0 means solution of this equation will be a solution of this polynomial. So if you put f3, you see 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 6, 9 minus 15 plus 6 equal to 0. So you conclude that if x minus 2 is a factor of the polynomial fx, then solution of this equation x minus 2 equal to 0. X minus 2 equal to 0. Solution of this equation will also be a solution of the equation x square minus 5x plus 6. Now, twice x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. Therefore, twice x plus 1 equal to 0. Solution of this equation will be a solution of this polynomial. Solution of is a solution of twice x square plus ax minus 3. Solution of this equation is a solution of this polynomial, right? Therefore, twice x plus 1 equal to 0 implies that x equal to minus 1 by 2. Now, f of minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. Solution of this equation is also a solution of this equation obtained by comparing this polynomial into a equation with right hand side 0. Now f of minus half equal to 0. Now what is f of minus half? You put x equal to minus half, 2 into minus 1 by 2 square plus a into minus 1 by 2 minus 3 equal to 0. This implies that 2 into 1 by 4 minus a by 2 minus 3 equal to 0. This implies this half minus 3 equal to a by 2. You multiply both sides by 2, you get 1 minus 6 equal to a. If you multiply both sides by 2, that means a equal to minus 5. This is the answer, right? Now let's solve another equation. Find values of m and n so that x minus 1 and x plus 2 are factors of this polynomial. Here fx is a polynomial in x. It is x cubed plus 3m plus 1 into x square plus nx minus 18. X minus 1 is a factor of fx. Therefore, f of 1 equal to 0. Now what is f of 1? F of 1 means x cube 1 cube plus 3m plus 1 into 1 square plus n into 1 minus 18 equal to 0. This gives 1 plus 3m plus 1 plus n minus 18 equal to 0. This gives 1 minus 18 minus 17. 3m plus n plus 1 plus 1 minus 18 equal to 0. This gives 3m plus n equal to 18 minus 2, 16. We got a relationship here. Again, x plus 2 is a factor of this polynomial. F minus 2 equal to 0. If x plus 2 is a factor of this polynomial, f minus 2 equal to 0. Now what is f minus 2? You got minus 2 cube plus 3m plus 1 into minus 2 square plus n into minus 2 minus 18 equal to 0. Now let us solve this. Minus 8 plus 4 into 3m plus 1 minus twice m minus 18 equal to 0. This gives minus 8 12m plus 4 minus twice m minus 18 equal to 0. This gives 12m minus twice m equal to 18 minus 4 plus 8, or 12m minus twice m equal to 18 minus 4, 14, 14 plus 8, 22. This gives 6m minus n equal to 11. This is relation 2. Now you see, you first you got 3m plus n equal to 16. Second relation you got 6m minus n equal to 11. Now let us add these two equations. If you add these two equations, 9m equal to this n cancel each other. 6 plus 1 7, 27. That means m equal to 3. Now if m equal to 3, what is n? 3m plus n equal to 16. 3 into 3 plus n equal to 16. So n equal to 16 minus 9 equal to 7. So m equal to 3, n equal to 7. Right. Now let's solve this equation. What number should be subtracted from this polynomial so that dividing it by x minus 2, the remainder is 10. Here fx equal to x cube plus 3x square minus 8x plus 14. If fx is divided by x minus 2, remainder equal to f of 2. Now f of 2 equal to 2 cube plus 3 into 2 square minus 8 into 2 plus 14, 8 plus 12 minus 16 plus 14, 12 plus 20, 20 plus 14, 34 minus 16. This is answer is 18. So when you divide this polynomial by x minus 2, remainder is 18. Now it says that what number should be subtracted from this so that remainder is 10. Now to obtain remainder 10, we have to subtract what number should be subtracted from 18 to get remainder 10. We have to subtract 8 from f2. When we divide this polynomial by x minus 2, the remainder is 18. Now to get remainder 10, we have to subtract 8 from 18. That means we have to subtract 8 from f2. Right? We have to subtract 8 from f2. So answer is 8. Means if you subtract 8 from this polynomial, in that case remainder will be 10. Right? If you subtract 8 from this polynomial, let's check. If you subtract 8 from this polynomial, then answer will be x cube plus 3x square minus 8x plus 6. If you subtract 8 from this polynomial, the new polynomial will be this. Now what will be f2? If you divide this polynomial by x minus 2, remainder is f2. 2 cube plus 3 into 2 square minus 8 into 2 plus 6. 8 plus 12 minus 16 plus 6. 8 plus 12, 20 plus 6, 26 minus 16. Answer is 10. You see, when you subtract 8 from this polynomial, remainder is 10. So we have to subtract 8 from this polynomial to get remainder 10 when it is divided by x minus 2. Let us solve another equation. Find a if two polynomials ax cube plus 3x square minus 9 and 2x cube plus 4x plus a leave the same remainder when divided by x plus 3. Here you are given two polynomials. Say gx equal to ax cube plus 3x square minus 9. Hx equal to, these are polynomial in x, 2x cube plus 4x plus a. It says when gx and hx are divided by by x plus 3 remainders are the same. If these two polynomials are divided by x plus 3, remainders are the same. Now you see, what would be the remainder? Z minus 3 equal to h minus 3. When you divide this polynomial by x plus 3, remainder will be z minus 3. When you divide this polynomial by x plus 3, remainder will be h minus 3. So what is z minus 3? Z minus 3 means a into minus 3 cube plus 3 into minus 3 square minus 9 equal to h minus 3. You put x equal to minus 3 here. 4 into minus 3 plus a. Now this becomes minus 27a. This becomes 27 minus 9. This becomes 27 into 2 minus 54. This becomes minus 12 plus a. Now let us solve this equation. Minus 27a plus 18 equal to, this becomes 66 plus a. Now let us transpose the term containing variable to the left hand side. This becomes minus 28a. This becomes minus 6 plus 8, 4. 1 over 6 plus 1, 7, 84. So what is a 84 divided by 28? This becomes 3. So answer is 3. Right. So, thank you for watching. We will solve similar types of equation on remainder theorem and factor theorem in future. Bye bye.